Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. The markets are still struggling, but mid cap, small cap, they've recovered to some extent, but the recovery is still, not a happy one. Finally, Nifty closed slightly in green, but Bank Nifty closed slightly in red. With today's fall, the Bank Nifty has fallen continuously for last 9 trading sessions. This is, I would say, too much. And as I told you earlier, last time it was only 7 continuous days fall. That was when the US inflation was at a peak in September 22. I don't think that, Bank Nifty has fallen like this, at least in my memory of last 5 to 10 years. So, State Bank of India is falling, can understand, mid cap, small caps are falling, can understand, because there is a news based. But why the Bank Nifty is falling like this, for 9 straight days? And today, Bank Nifty was too volatile. It went up, then came down by 700 point, again shot up more than 700 point, again came down. But, finally closing was very, very bad, mainly because of Axis Bank and HDFC Bank. I don't know why HDFC Bank has to fall more than 25 rupees for today. At the end of the day, HDFC Bank alone contributed for about 150 point fall in Bank Nifty. Axis Bank and HDFC Bank together, they have contributed for 220 point fall for the Bank Nifty. But despite that, Bank Nifty closed just only about 75 points lower. Which means that, if HDFC Bank and Axis Bank was neutral, which means that Bank Nifty would have been higher by about 150 to 200 points. So every day one or the other stocks. And TCS was trying to recover very smartly in the morning, but in the afternoon session that came under a severe selling pressure. So it is the TCS and HDFC Bank, that brought the markets down in the second half of the session. And of course, Reliance has been supporting the market. So today markets were very jittery, but probably because, we are already weak, then today the Fed meeting outcome is there. So that could be one of the reasons. But if everything goes well, at least tomorrow our market has to recover. So Nifty could not close above 21,920. So that means clearly Nifty is short, but that is technically. But I do not know how can we take a bearish view when Bank Nifty has already fallen for 9 trading sessions, right? But sometimes, your faith about technical is, more important. But somehow, although I follow technicals, but sometimes I tend to take my own view. So I cannot be a good, technical follower. So technical follower means you have to close your eyes and, you have to take the view. But I can tell you technically the market is bearish. Market is short. But I don't know how much more market can fall. But I think, 21,500 should be a very good support even if it falls. But today's low was around 21,700, which is about 800 points fall in about last 1 week to 10 days. So this is a severe fall. I think more damage is seen in mid cap and small cap space. So anyway, so we will see where the market goes for the next 2 to 3 trading sessions. And usually the last few trading sessions of the month, markets tend to be more volatile. The gamma effect will be kicking in. But option sellers are happily selling the options, all the strike calls, 22,000 call option, 22,000 and above calls are written aggressively. In fact, today both puts and calls have crashed, because the Nifty closed slightly positive. So today the focus is on US markets, the Fed chairman. No rate cut is expected, but people will be keenly watching for Fed chairman's comment. So his comment is also like more or less expected to be hawkish. So I would say that has already been factored in. So the markets will go for a positive surprise if Fed chairman become dovish. So if he says, we might cut the rate in June, July or something like that, then markets can rally. But I don't think that he's going to comment. So we should be happy if he doesn't say things like, we cannot expect any rate cut in June. We can expect only after 9 months or 1 year. Then, the problem will be there. So anyway, it is a event risk, and US markets, for today's option prices are too high. Usually 50 point above, it will be trading around 20 cent, 30 cent. Today it will be trading around $2, $3. So, people are expecting one big move, either upside or downside. So accordingly, we will be reacting tomorrow. So anyway, so our market is bearish against the global trend. And how long this is going to sustain, I do not know. But the Bank Nifty picture looks very, very bearish, because of this HDFC Bank. So you may remember, I came out with a video suggesting, one can buy HDFC Bank around, that was trading around 1430, about one and a half month before. Either one can buy 1430 in future, sell 1430 call and 1430 put. The combined premium was about 100 rupees. Now what is happening after 1 month, HDFC Bank is coming around 1430 only. After 1 month, HDFC Bank has not gone anywhere, but both calls and puts have, come close to zero. So anyway, I'll come out with a detailed video about this HDFC Bank and Bajaj Finance recommendation. So now it is time to rest, so there is nothing to speak more. So we will see tomorrow morning. The story will be completely different because of Fed. So since I am trading in US market, I can't sleep until the Fed chairman finishes his speech. He will start his speech around 1 a.m. Indian time. He will finish about by 1:30. So until then I cannot sleep. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.